Hello. Now, in order for you to complete these exercises, you're going to have to follow a pattern. There's a pattern for asking a question, and there's also a pattern for answering the question. So the question will begin with the question word, which in this case will be the word what. It will be followed by the helping verb, then the subject or object, and then the main verb. To answer the question, you're going to use the pronoun or noun, the main verb, and then the vocabulary word. That would be your digraph word. In order for you to complete the question and answer, you will also need Table A and Table B to find the correct helping verbs for your pronoun or nouns. Now, let's begin and do problem 1 together. Okay, now we're going to do problem 1 together. Problem 1 is in the progressive tense. The progressive tense means that it's happening while we're asking and answering the question. So our main verb is going to be to wear, and our pronoun is going to be he. So let's begin by plugging in our words in our question, following our pattern. The question word being used is what. What, and the helping verb is going to be determined by what is your pronoun. So now we're going to go to Table A and Table B and find the progressive for he. So here I could see he, and progressive is here. So the word that we're going to use is going to be is. So our helping verb is the word is. What is, and the subject would be he. What is he, and now the main verb, which is to wear. We have to conjugate the word wear to fit the question. What is he wearing? What is he wearing? And now we're going to answer. Our vocabulary word is watch. Watch. So now let's take our pronoun again. He, the main verb, he is wearing. He is wearing a watch. Now, if you do need more practice conjugating our verbs, you could use Step to Success Volume 1. You have a lot of examples and a lot of practice problems to continue practicing conjugating verbs. Okay? And so our question again is, what is he wearing? He is wearing a watch. Now, you're going to try problem 2, and please press play when you're ready to do problem 2 together. Okay, let's begin problem 2. Problem 2 is in the future tense. And again, we have our question word is what. What, the helping verb is going to be to the word we. That's our pronoun. So let's go to Table A and find the word we for the future tense. So we, here is present and progressive, and here is past. So let's go to Table B, and here is future. So we would be will. So our helping verb will be will. What will, the subject or object is we. What will we, and the main verb is to eat. What will we eat? So again, our question is, what will we eat? The answer is peach. So now we need to begin with our noun or pronoun, which is we. Our main verb is will eat. We will eat, and our word is peach. Now, when it's more than one person, that means it's plural. That means that the answer is also going to be plural. In this case, because it ends in a digraph, we need to add es. Now, that is a rule, again, that is demonstrated in Steps to Success, Volume 1. So it would be peaches, because that means it would be more than one. So you could see how I added es to the word peach, peaches. So let's go again to our question. What will we eat? We will eat peaches. Now, it's your turn to continue with question 3. So go to practice and press play when you are ready to do it together. Okay, now let's begin with problem 3. Problem 3 is in the progressive tense, and our verb that we're using is to make, and our pronoun is she. So let's begin with putting in our question word, what. Question word is what, and now the helping verb. The helping verb is going to be determined with she in the progressive tense. So let's go to table A and find the word she and progressive. So it is the word is. What is? The subject would be she. What is she? And now we have to conjugate our verb. What is she making? What is she making? The answer is sandwich. She, and of course we begin with the capital letter, she is making a sandwich. Because she is only one person, we do not need to add the es like we did in problem 2, because it's just one person. So it's just a sandwich. She is making a sandwich. So again, our question is, what is she making? She is making a sandwich. Now it's your turn to continue with problem 4. Good luck, and press play when you are ready. Okay, now we're going to do problem number 4. Problem number 4 is in the past tense, and our verb is to hold, and our pronoun is he. So again, let's begin with our question word, what. What, and now helping verb is according to our pronoun he. So if we're looking for the past, he and past, was. What was he is our subject. What was he, and our main verb is to hold, so we need to conjugate. What was he holding? What was he holding? The answer is torch. So the noun is he, and again we begin with the capital letter. He. Now, to hold is also an irregular verb when it's past tense. So if you note on your book, you could see it says irregular verb. So he held. Now you can find irregular verbs to practice in Steps to Success Volume 1 if you need more practice to understand irregular verbs more. He held a torch. So again, our question is, what was he holding? He held a torch. Again, it's because it was in the past tense, but when we ask the question, it is still in the present tense. What was he holding? He held a torch. Now it's your turn to practice number 5. I'll be waiting. Press play when you are ready. Okay, now let's begin with problem 5. Problem 5 is in the progressive tense, and our verb that we're going to use is to hold, and our pronoun is I. So our question word is what? What? Our helping verb, again, is going to be according to I in the progressive. So here's I, and here's the progressive, so I am is going to be our helping word. What am, our subject is I. What am I, and the main verb is to hold, so we have to conjugate. What am I holding? What am I holding? And my answer is lunch bag. So our noun or pronoun is I. I am holding a lunch bag. A lunch bag. So again, let's go back to our question. What am I holding? I am holding a lunch bag. Okay, so now you will continue with problem number 6. Good luck, and I'll be waiting. Press play when you are ready to do it together. Okay, now we're going to do problem 6. Problem 6 is in the progressive tense, and our verb is going to be to write, and our pronoun is going to be he. So let's begin with our question word. What? What, and our helping verb is going to be according to he in the progressive. So let's go to table A and find he in the progressive, and the word is. What is, the subject is he. What is he, and now the main verb is to write, so we're going to conjugate the word write. What is he writing? What is he writing? And now our noun or pronoun is going to be he, and again, we begin with a capital letter. He is writing is the main verb. He is writing. And our vocabulary word is check. Check. He is writing a check. So let's go back to our question. What is he writing? He is writing a check. Okay, so now you continue with problem 7. Press play when you're ready to do it together. Okay, now let's continue with problem 7. Problem 7 is in the future tense, and we're going to use our verb to paint, and our pronoun is she. So let's begin with our question word, which is what. And our helping helping verb will be according to she in the future tense. So she in the future will be will. What will, and our subject is she. What will she, and our main verb is to paint. Now notice that the question is in future tense, but our verb stays in the present. What will she paint? And the answer is bench. That is our vocabulary word. So let's begin with our pronoun she. Our main verb is will paint. She will paint a bench. Okay, let's go back to our question. What will she paint? She will paint a bench. Very good. So this concludes the set of exercises. Now please continue your practice. Good luck and see you soon.